Welcome again to Canva Affordable Bookkeeping. My name is Dave. As I said to you before, we got the double entry accounting principle, which is also known as double entry bookkeeping principle. So if you record whatever on the debit side must have equal amount or equal amount on the credit side. So starting that, you go through the process I already explained to you. And then when you have these figures, the sum of all the assets you have in your business will be here. And this must be equals to the sum of the claim. And these claims, we got the total liability and the total equity. If you have just started a business and you haven't got any external claim on the assets, will all come from you. So this will be the sum of your total equity will be equal to total assets, and you will have 0 here. If you have external claim, sum of these two must be equal to this. If you have missing figure, for example, this figure is unknown and you know this figure, what you will do is to subtract this figure from here to get this. The same if you know this figure and you don't know this, what you will do is to subtract this figure from here to get this. And this is an equation. All you have on your right-hand side must be equal to what you have on the left-hand side of the equation. And this is the balance sheet. You have the total assets. Total assets here will have two categories. One is you have current assets and non-current assets. The same to liabilities. Here you have current liabilities and non-current liabilities. We'll cover this in more details in different videos. What I'm trying to do here is to introduce you to this concept so that you understand whatever we will explain in more details later. Whenever you see a balance sheet, the total asset must be equal to the sum of total liabilities and equity. So reason for this video is to help you understand the accounting equation. And the accounting equation comes from the balance sheet. And all the figures we have there, all the accounts we have in the balance sheet, they come from different steps of the accounting equations to where we prepare the financial report. Start with the documentation as I already explained to you, and we have to go through the process until when we prepare the financial report. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video.